Today, I'll show you exactly how premium leather is made, step by step.
Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours like this.
Our journey begins with carefully sourced raw hides. Each hide is carefully inspected for quality.
Look at the grain on this section, it's damaged.
Yeah, I see it. We can't use that for the premium batch.
Now the hides move to the preparation phase. The hides are soaked to rehydrate and prepare for tanning.
Chemical balance is monitored constantly for perfect results.
Next, excess flesh and fat are removed mechanically.
The hide is split into precise thickness layers.
Divert the heavier pieces to the left. Ensure the premium line is moving at maximum capacity.
The premium grain layer continues to the tanning stage. The premium grain layer continues to the tanning stage.
Chrome tanning preserves and stabilizes the leather permanently.
shaving ensures every piece has exact thickness specification.
Retanning adds color and special characteristics.
Check the consistency on this cognac piece. The tone seems a bit off here.
I see it. It needs to be uniform under the LED.
The leather is now soft, durable, and beautifully colored.
Controlled drying preserves leather quality and prevents cracking.
Ready for transfer on line 3.
Confirmed. Proceeding now.
Final protective coating ensures durability and water resistance.
Every piece is inspected meticulously before approval.
And that's how premium penguin leather is made, from raw hide to finished luxury material.
Every step combines tradition, technology, and craftsmanship.